Bye-bye 3D Donut Blender tutorial. Hello Claude plus Blender via MCP. By the end of this tutorial, Blender will be fully connected to Claude via MCP. Ready for you to create realistic 3D objects with AI, and it's completely free? First, let's get Blender installed. Head over to blender.org, download it, and follow the steps to install. Next, we'll set up Claude Desktop. Go to claude.ai, download the desktop app, and install it. Now, it's time to connect Blender to Claude via MCP. We need to add the MCP add-in in Blender. I have linked the GitHub addon.py in the description under Blender add-in. Download it, then open Blender. Go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, Install from Disk, select the add-on, and install. Once it's in, press N to open the side panel on the right. Look for Blender MCP and connect to the MCP server. Before we go further, we need to install UV, the required package manager. Open PowerShell and run the command. I've listed in the description under PowerShell UV. With that done, open Claude Desktop, go to Settings, Developer, Edit Config, and add the lines from the description under Claude Desktop Config. Close and reopen Claude, click plus connector, and make sure Blender is enabled. Finally, let's test it. Try this prompt. Create a realistic donut with glossy chocolate icing and pistachio sprinkles in Blender. And just like that, no more hours of Blender tutorials just to create something simple.